I'm Teddy Bear Grylls. Follow me. Hey, we've been in the wild for weeks. We haven't eaten or drinking, and we need to find food and water before we die. Let's go. Okay. Look what I found, guys.
Oh, I gotta take a photo of this.
Get the out of the shot.
What? Oh,
Get out.
sorry. I'm the annoying tourist.
We just found some shapes. Oi! Hey! We just found some shapes. And some other essential food. We're good to go. Follow me. Oh. Guys, look at this. It's a treasure map. Oh, do you know what this means? What? It means treasure.
Yeah! No! Get out!
Jeez, tourists. We're here in the wild. This natural enemy, the teddy bear. Ah!
Oh no! Save me! No!
Wait. What's that? I think it's moving into attack. Ah! 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 No! Get off him! Ah! Are you okay?
Come here! Hold on! I'm gonna put this as my Instagram account. Yeah! Okay, come on! Let's go! And maybe my Twitter! Yeah, okay, let's go! Yeah, here you go! Yeah! I'll go check the bear away!
Bloody tourists.
No, I'm not! No!
It appears that the map has led us right here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look around under these pine needles and get the treasure. Time to look what we found. Diamond. No, they're not yours. Go away.
New Twitter update!
You.
Yeah!
No, go away.
Go away!
First, let me take a selfie. Go away.
No!
Bloody tourists. Oh, let's see what we have. Oh, look. Diamond. It's probably fake, but you know. Some rocks, some crystals, and that thing. Some more rocks, and Cthulhu, and some more rocks, and some more rocks, and some more rocks, and oh look! Loot. We have some stylish necklaces that we could probably wear. You want to try one on?
Sure.
Have it. You look pretty good with that. You want one too?
Yeah, I want to put this as my new Facebook profile picture.
Ooh.
Yeah! And with you, yeah! Another loot. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. No! Don't say mean things
You're a
about me.
tourist.
No, you're so...
Sit down.
He's so mean.
You do not have a...
Take this back.
Don't touch my snake. It's my snake. We also have some money.
Is it train?
Let's have some money and some... Oh, look. Some diamonds. They're probably fake as well. But...
Hey, you want some food? Oh wait, no, you're in the scene, right? Oh yeah. Just cut the scene out. Okay, yep, yeah, that's okay.
I'm not having chips.
Wait, did the cameraman just steal that? Awesome! No Facebook cover photo.
Did you just...
Yeah, you're an awesome guy.
Take my diamond.
Okay, I want some.
Whoa!
Hey.
No!
Hey, I bought these from the dairy. I mean, we found them in the wilderness.